all know the proverb, the early bird catches the worm. Success comes to those who act early, stay disciplined, and take initiative. But I think we consider too much the good luck of the early bird and not enough the bad luck of the early worm. This Roosevelt's line flips the perspective. Every success story has another side we rarely notice. Early bird, positive, discipline, planning, punctuality, early worm, critical thinking, being in the wrong place at the wrong time. What does it really mean? Every cloud has a silver lining. Success is not always just hard work. It is often accompanied by unseen failures. Recognizing this builds empathy and resilience. Avoid one-sided thinking, focusing only on winners. Creates unrealistic expectations. Balanced thinking leads to better decisions. Take calculated risks. Don't blindly glorify early success without questioning its cost. So today, let's not just try to be early birds. Let's also be wise thinkers, because success is not just about timing, but about awareness. Because every early bird story also has an early worm perspective. This perception of Franklin D. Roosevelt reflects practical wisdom shaped by balanced optimism with realism approach. Rather than blindly glorifying success, Roosevelt reminds people to adopt a nuanced outlook, one that values effort but also understands unpredictability. Thank you.